basically to make him know. How will it help, ma'am? Actually,
if anyone is on your door, it's just
Starting.
voice start.
Is this available in the market? Having a sensor.
Where can I?
Okay.
So reach out.
Okay, let's do some feedback. So much better overall, clearer, showing the device attracts our attention. I'm going to help you with a couple of things. Okay. So I think at the beginning, when you introduce yourself, you could mention robotics. We said it. So good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here today. My name is Sadhana. Sadhana. My name is Dieter Brun. And I'm the founder of an exciting robotics company for kids called Ankaran Robo or something, whatever it is. So in India and around the world, we're having some issues with our youth. Many times they're spending time on social media. They're on their mobile phones. They're playing video games. And so because of that, they're not exercising. They're not using their creativity. And they have a lack of mental and physical activity. I'm going to switch these two. In addition, they're not always aware of future technologies that are coming out so in devices. And finally, in schools, STEAM education is required for students, so they need to be able to perform well in sciences and math and areas like that. So here's when you make the switch. You made the switch, and you immediately showed us this. I think it's better to say, so to solve, are you a parent? As a parent who's dealing with these same problems, I thought, how can I, and maybe you can even say, as a parent with a PhD in computer science, I thought, how can I deal with this issue? So I created, what's the name of the company? Robo? Yeah, Robo. That's, so you see how you can bring your personal experience in, because you're a parent. Then they connect with you, right, as a parent. I created this so that kids can learn by doing through robotics. And the great thing about this, here's an example of a device that was created by one of our students who's only 11 years old. This device is used for blind people, so they're aware of when something, it's not on here. Oh, so that when they approach something, it beeps. So this prevents them from walking into things. This is amazing by an 11-year-old. So our program is all about experimenting, discovering, developing skills through robotics. They won a championship? And some of our kids won a championship for competitive development. So we're really making a difference. We conducted a survey of schools and parents, and we found that 60% of schools in Bihar are interested in robotics, and 70% of parents. So clients like Sandeep University and Guwahati, TPS College and Sandeep University. Okay, so you show, and some other prestigious clients. We're looking for, you have to say it the right way, we're looking for a grant of 50 lakhs so that we can expand our programs, buy more equipment, increase our manpower in marketing and other areas. So if you're interested in being part of this exciting project and bringing robotics to our schools and improving the intelligence and creativity of our kids, please reach out to me. My contact information is here.